Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Python series. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a new library or a package in Anaconda. So first of all, you have to select your environment from here, and I have created two environments, and currently I'm working on my environment, so uh, I'm selecting it. You have to select your own. So then you have to click on environments, and here you are observing that it's showing installed libraries. These are the installed libraries, means already installed, and our focus is on installing new one. So you have to click on not installed and then search here for your desired libraries. I want to install Plotly library, and Plotly is a rich library for, you can say, for visualization. So I'm searching here Plotly. Okay, so this is the library, and the an interactive JavaScript based visualization library for Python. So you have to check this box and click on apply, and it may be take some time. So I think it's downloaded two packages from internet, and you have to click on apply to install. So now this is installing our library. So you have to wait. So it installed the library, and now it's showing that all the libraries are installed. So if you search, and you have to click on installed and search here Loadly, and so our library is installed. Okay. So if you want to satisfy yourself, you can do it by importing it in Jupyter Notebook. So I am creating a notebook. So you have to write here import Loadly dot express as ex. So successfully we have imported this library, and this is the way you can do it.